Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're making the most delicious and easiest cheesy garlic bread recipe ever. If you have people coming over and you're making something but you're looking for a side dish, you can make this so quickly and everyone will be floored. It is my favorite garlic bread recipe ever. And if you guys are new to my channel, on Tuesdays we create, or I show you how to make little like tips or like quick recipes. So if you'd like to see more of these, definitely please hit the subscribe button so you can see more and you can catch up on the previous Tuesdays videos. Anyways, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to make the garlic butter. What you want to do is combine some salted butter, not unsalted because the salt makes it taste so much better. So some salted butter, that's at room temperature, some garlic and parsley in a bowl. And so the garlic we're using has been minced, and a really handy way to mince garlic is just get a cheese grater and grate it against the cheese grater, and it like breaks it up so perfectly. It's so much easier that way. So you just want to combine all of those ingredients in a bowl and then set that aside. Then we are going to prep our loaf of bread. So you just want to get a regular sized loaf of bread, and using a bread knife, cut the bread diagonally without cutting all the way through. So kind of stop where the little bottom crust is. You want all the little slices to still be connected at the base. Then you want to flip the little loaf around and repeat it in the opposite direction, creating a diamond pattern. And what this is going to do is it's going to create little pieces of bread that you can pull off, and they'll be like garlicky and cheesy, and oh my god, so good. So it's a really good thing to like put in the middle of your table and everyone can just kind of like pick from it. If you're doing like a movie night or you guys are watching like a sports game or something, is that even the right term? I'm not a sports girl, I have no idea. But having that in like the center would be really good. So then what you want to do is spread the butter onto the inside edges of the bread. And then you want to get some shredded mozzarella cheese and do the exact same thing. So kind of just like stick it into the insides of all the little edges, and then add some to the top as well because melted cheese on top of bread is always a good thing. Then you want to pop it onto a baking sheet lined with foil and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until it's warm and the cheese has melted, and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Let me know if you'd like to see any more like kind of shareable food recipes in the comments down below. If you have any specific requests, definitely let me know as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for an new video.